Hey guys, welcome to another video. This time we're going to actually start this adventure. But today we've got to... Yeah, she's pretty disgusting. I think we better clean this thing pretty quickly. Let's roll that time lapse.
Screaming, fighting, throwing fists. I know I wasn't meant for this. Bruises, scars, scratches, and bites. I should have never went there.
So she's starting to look a little bit cleaner, but what you got to remember in this is I am not a valeter in any way. I have no idea what I'm doing. But today I managed to get hold of some auto glim stuff, so let's have some fun.
You told me it's what I deserve, and somehow I still never learned. I'd find a way to block out the abuse, stayed out of fear and denied the truth. When we first...
Yeah, okay. It's a little bit worse than I thought it was. It's pretty dirty. I think if I can get this thing clean, it deserves a thumbs up. It deserves a subscribe. You smash that subscribe button. Let's carry on.
You seem so harmless, but after 6 months, you showed you were heartless. You were always angry, making constant threats, saying hateful things and acting so indifferent. Screaming, fighting, throwing fists. I know I wasn't meant for this. Bruises, scars, scratches, and bites. I should have never went there that night. You told me it's what I deserve, and somehow I still never learned. I'd find a...
Woo! I think I need a medal for getting that thing clean. So, thanks for supporting the channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. See you in the next one. We are out.